one of those days where you wonder what you're doing? That's today. And I'm gonna cut my hair. Hi, my name is Pam. This is Total Pamarchy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make nerdy and pop culture inspired videos every week, usually posting on Friday. This week, I'm doing something a little bit different. We are in a no-buy month this month, and I decided since I can't spend any money on anything and I need content, why don't I cut my hair? Yeah, I've never cut my hair before, and it's been over a year since I've had a haircut, so I figured it was due. And since we're in lockdown again and I can't go out and get it cut, nor can I spend money on a haircut anyway, I thought this was the perfect time to try to cut my own hair. So we'll see how it goes. I have watched a couple tutorials a while ago, and I watched a couple today again. There's one that I'm going to be following today, and I'll link her video down below. I followed her tutorial. I liked the haircut that she did. It looked fairly easy-ish. She also uses just regular scissors. I don't have scissors to cut my hair, so I have selected a couple pairs of scissors. She uses just regular scissors you would have around the home to cut her hair, so I feel these will be okay. These are fabric shears. I'm hoping I'm not gonna ruin them. I know they're sharp. That's all I was looking for, and I feel like cutting my hair once, if it works out and I like it, I can invest in a pair of better scissors to cut my hair in the future. So without further ado, here we go. This is all new to me. Wait, I gotta go back. Shoot. Okay, so part where I normally part and then go straight down the back. I kind of flip my hair back and forth. She says to part it to the side that you normally part your hair and then go straight down the back. I will kind of go back and forth either way, so think I'll go my traditional route just because that's what I do. I have a mirror here, so I'll be looking into that as well. So I apologize if I'm not looking at the camera. So I'm gonna do my normal part, which, God, I don't even use a comb for that anymore. So there. And then she said to go straight down the back. I hope that's straight enough. The beautiful thing is, if you mess this up, it'll grow back. It's hair. Oh, hello, my dog's come to visit me. I feel like I'm not straight down the back. I feel like I need someone here to be like, yo, are you straight down the back? And obviously, a little bit nervous about this. Okay, there. Now what did she do? Maximum tension down. And then straight across. I'm gonna come up a little bit. It's hard to see. I'm trying to look in my phone, but also on my shirt. There-ish. And then she said on a 45-degree angle. Here we go. I'm gonna mess this up. Actually, I'm more concerned about cutting my hand. I feel like I can't do this with that hand, so I'm gonna switch hands and hopefully not cut the mic as well. Oh God, this was a bad idea. Okay, so I am about halfway. Where are my scissors? Oh my God. Whew. And I guess that's how you do it. There's my hair on the floor. I think then she does the other side, and we're gonna cut. Scissors positioned on an angle when cutting. Scissors. I'm gonna cut my fingers. I'm not good with looking in the mirror and doing this. If I cut my hand, that's like more what I'm worried about than actually messing up my hair. Clearly she's done this before. Okay, what's next? Don't worry about being straight. I feel like this side might be just a little bit longer. Well, that's not actually too bad. So far so good. I'm surprised, actually. Oh, I got hair on my counter. Does anyone else's dog eat their hair? I always lose hair like all the time from, like, it's just on the bathroom floor, long hair, and he'll come in and eat it. It's disgusting. Okay, what's next? So we're gonna add layers. She's taken the top portion, just the top half of her head, and she's made layers at the top, just like you were pulling half of your hair up. At one point, I think she did mention this doesn't replace like a haircut at the hairdresser, but you know, since we're in quarantine and if you really wanted to have your hair cut, there's people out there with really good tutorials on how to do it. Okay, so that's half my hair. She said to brush it with maximum tension down over the front of your face, so you're pulling it tight, and then she's cutting it using her chin as reference and cutting it just below that. So wish me luck. It's hard because I can't see what I'm doing. Full disclosure, I'm not good with hair stuff at all. So if this turns out looking halfway decent, I will be shocked. So I'm pulling this forward. Okay, so maximum tension. Maximum tension. Pulling it down. So she said you're over directing your hair down. Yes, I know. I'm doing a weird thing. It's okay. You'll be fine. I know there's a lot of hair on the floor. You can't eat it. Just have to pull it tight. I don't feel like that's tight enough. This part's making me nervous. I mean, the whole part is making me nervous, but oh. I keep feeling like I'm losing tension as I come down. Okay, I have to do it with my right. Nope, that's not gonna work. I have no idea what this looks like Cousin It. Okay, so we're cutting that much off straight across. What she was saying for that, the longer layers at the back, when they get pulled forward, they will still be longer because they're coming from the back, so they're traveling more distance over your head. And the ones at the front will be shorter because they're at the front. Let's keep watching. I'm actually, I'm not mad at this so far. I wasn't sure about that because I just took a whack of hair off. It's quite a lot. Like that's my hair. So now, because we have this little bit of a jump between this and this, we're gonna even that part out. She's taking this area of the scissors and she just said she's notching it down. I'm, again, not great with using both my hands, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I don't cut my fingers. This was the part I was looking at going, oh my God, how do you do that and not cut yourself? Because clearly, I might cut myself. Can't see what I'm doing. I don't think I did anything. I didn't do anything. This is like the nerve-wracking part. I think I cut it. I don't want to do too much because I'm afraid I'm like gonna... This is the part where I'm like, okay, we were doing so well. Now what are we gonna do? Okay, not so bad. I like that side. This side, I feel like this is still like really blunt here on this end. Step stab myself. I think I straightened that out. Just like intense concentration to get to hold my hair like the correct way. I think I'm kind of happy with that. I don't want to play with it anymore because I think I'm gonna like, it's gonna go bad. It's gonna like go the wrong way. But so far, so good-ish. I probably need to seek a hairdresser after this and get them to fix it, but let's see what's next. So this bit, she's gonna soften out a bit. Let's go back because I need to wash this like 50 million freaking times. Going on a diagonal so she creates a soft feather around her face. That's not a diagonal, but okay. This notching bit is hard. Intense concentration. This probably looks better than my hair before, so I don't know. Not too terrible, I guess. I'm like so not even. Oh, I don't know whether my hair looks like her hair, but here we are. I mean, it's shorter. So she's gonna fix this if you have a little bit of like heaviness there. So she's taking this piece and leaving the length. She said you don't want to cut that. And it's just this top bit. And, whoops. Bringing that over in front. I don't know what I'm doing. And then she's like evening these bits out at the top. I need to actually look at this and not in the mirror, just with the tips of the scissors apparently. Okay, cool. We're taking this bit on the other side as well. Wish I was ambidextrous. I'm not an ambi-turner. Intense facial expressions for cutting. This gets easier once you take the first like layer off and then you care less. So she says if you come to the sides and you want to get rid of like the bluntness, so we're gonna come in here. To remember to like comb this out a little bit more. And then she said point cut up. Oops. Ooh. I think I just took length off, which is not what I was supposed to do. Whoops. I'm like looking in the mirror and trying to figure out where like my scissors are in reference to like my hair and my hands, and I can't. Oh, wow, okay. That's a lot of length off. Oh my goodness, okay. I don't hate this, actually. I kind of like it. Not gonna lie. This is, I don't know if this is even at all. Can't see. There. I might have to go inspect it later on and just kind of figure out if it's even or not. I think that was the last step. I don't know. You tell me what the back looks like. Does it look okay? Those were all the steps, so we are done with our haircut. Overall, I kind of like it. I think I struggled maybe getting this like as straight as I could have, and obviously it's not going to replace going to a professional and getting them to cut your hair. I found this actually worked. I like this cut. Again, I'm gonna have to look at it and like figure out if I missed any spots or anything like that, or if there's any areas that I kind of need to touch up on. But overall, I'm kind of happy with it. My test too is just, can I still put it up into a ponytail for work? and I can. It looks good. It's fresher. The ends of my hair were getting like really just bad. So I needed a haircut desperately. So that's kind of why I'm doing this. And I am not mad at this haircut. I actually kind of like it. So yeah, here we are with our DIY lockdown no buy haircut. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and joining me here today as I cut my hair during lockdown and my no buy month. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. You would really make my day, and give this video a thumbs up as well if you liked it. It would really help me out. Until next time, bye.